Home security is a top priority for homeowners, and the choice of windows plays a pivotal role in safeguarding your property. Traditional windows may provide aesthetic appeal and basic functionality, but they often fall short in terms of protection. This is where Kendall Impact Windows come into play, offering a robust solution that blends security, durability, and style. Let's explore why installing Kendall Impact Windows is a smart investment for enhancing your home's security. Unmatched strength and resilience. Kendall Impact Windows are engineered to withstand the harshest conditions, including high winds, debris impact, and attempted break-ins. Unlike standard windows, these are crafted with laminated glass composed of multiple layers, often fortified with a robust interlayer. This design ensures that even if the glass cracks, it remains intact, creating an impenetrable barrier. For homeowners in regions prone to hurricanes or severe storms, the added protection these windows provide is invaluable. Flying debris during a storm can shatter regular glass, leaving your home vulnerable to water damage and intrusions. Kendall Impact Windows are tested to meet or exceed stringent building codes, giving you peace of mind that your home is shielded against both natural and man-made threats. Enhanced security against intruders. Burglars and intruders often target homes with easily breakable windows, making traditional glass a weak point in your security system. Kendall Impact Windows significantly reduce this risk by being nearly impossible to penetrate quickly. The laminated glass and reinforced frames are designed to withstand repeated blows from heavy objects, making it extremely difficult for anyone to gain unauthorized entry. This level of security acts as a deterrent, as the time and effort required to breach these windows increase the likelihood of detection or intervention. For homeowners, this translates to better protection for your loved ones and valuables. Noise reduction for a peaceful environment. While security is the primary benefit, Kendall Impact Windows offer additional advantages, such as noise reduction. The same layered construction that enhances their strength also serves as a sound barrier, minimizing external noise. This is particularly beneficial for homes located near busy streets, airports, or commercial areas, creating a quieter and more serene living space. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Security and durability often come with the added bonus of energy efficiency. Kendall Impact Windows are designed to provide superior insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures. By reducing the need for constant heating or cooling, these windows contribute to lower energy bills over time. The UV protection offered by these windows also prevents furniture, flooring, and artwork from fading, preserving the aesthetics of your interiors. This dual benefit of energy savings and preservation makes Kendall Impact Windows an environmentally and economically sound choice. Hurricane protection for coastal regions. For residents of hurricane-prone areas, Kendall Impact Windows are not just a luxury but a necessity. These windows eliminate the need for bulky storm shutters, providing year-round protection without compromising the view or aesthetics of your home. They are tested to withstand high-velocity impacts, ensuring your home remains secure during the most intense weather events. Increased property value. Investing in Kendall Impact Windows enhances the overall value of your home. Potential buyers are increasingly prioritizing safety features, and having impact-resistant windows installed can set your property apart in the market. The assurance of security, coupled with energy efficiency and noise reduction, makes your home more appealing to prospective buyers. Stylish design options. Security doesn't mean sacrificing style. Kendall Impact Windows come in a variety of designs, colors, and finishes, allowing you to customize your windows to complement your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a modern look or a traditional design, these windows blend seamlessly into any aesthetic while offering top-notch protection. Conclusion: a smart choice for modern homeowners. Installing Kendall Impact Windows is a proactive step toward ensuring the safety and security of your home. With their unparalleled strength, ability to deter intruders, and resilience against extreme weather, these windows offer more than just protection, they provide peace of mind. Add to that the benefits of noise reduction, energy efficiency, and increased property value, and it's clear why so many homeowners are making the switch. Don't wait until an unfortunate incident occurs to consider upgrading your windows. Invest in Kendall Impact Windows today and enjoy a secure, comfortable, and stylish home for years to come.